What is up, guys? It's your boy No Risk, No a Premium, back with another episode of the, I guess it's a market overview now. Guys, we switched it up yesterday. I want to say thank you for all of your comments, likes, subscribe to the channel. Guys, keep hitting that thumbs up button for us. Please give us feedback on the videos. We absolutely love it. If you were able to not get stuck in this triple inside day, actually double inside day, as you see, the inside day will be a lower high, higher low, lower high, higher low. That is showing an area of consolidation. We are 1 penny above yesterday's high day on today. So this is still a second day of just straight consolidation. And why do we add QQQ and IWM to the mix? Well, if you would have actually taken the QQQ trade like we did in the Wolves of Wealth, now full disclosure, I actually had to stop too tight, but the trade ended up working out. What did we say? We wanted the break and hold of 327. We had the back test. I got stopped out down here only for this thing to go ripper Magoo. How are you? If you guys caught it, it was to the T to the trade plan. We said over 327.25, you want to get long. Had a nice back test and ripper went up for about 2 points almost, right? Above the high. So great trade there. And nonetheless, the chart is great. Higher lows, higher highs, right? Perfect chart. SPY, look at this. Bullshit. Not going to lie, it's bullshit. The chart is bullshit. Why is this taking forever? Wow. Okay. Chart is bullshit. Look at this. This is horseshit. Anyway, end of day sell. Is that any inclination what comes tomorrow? I don't know. I think SPY's super easy. We either break above 413.50 to get long or break below 410 to get short. Now, we will have a possible bounce down here at 409. So the R&R under 410 is not great. You could wait for that gap fill under 409. But I think ultimately, underneath this double consolidation day, you'd be pretty safe to make a lower high under 409, 410, take the profits off majority at 409, let any runners ride down to fill the gap down to 407.25. But let's look really quick what we should expect for tomorrow. Early in the morning, 7 a.m. numbers. We have mortgage, NBA 30-year mortgage rate applications, mortgage index, okay, then into the building permits, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's an hour before market open. Building permits, housing starts, okay, and then into the numbers at 10:30. Okay, lots of different numbers coming out here. You guys could see all of these. More oil-focused stuff, fuel production, etc. Now, that is what? 1 hour into market open. So we'll need to pay attention there. We have a bond auction that comes at what is that? 1 p.m. Eastern Standard. So you'll want to know that as well. Other than that, that's really all you got to look forward to. 8 a.m. number, 8:30 a.m. numbers, and then the 10:30 number. So an hour in, hour before, hour after open. So pay attention to that. Other than that, guys, SPY looks really not easy. It's not been easy. That's why we've been looking at some other names. To me, it looks like this. If this red bar down was an inclination of what could possibly come, look for the break under 410.25 to 410. Ride that down to 409. Take the majority of the profits off. If you get a break and hold underneath there, then have some runners take you down to 407.25. You probably would be better served tomorrow if we do get a break to the downside, especially with SPY, to take Friday's puts. Why? Because if we break this 409, it's likely we're going to head all the way back down to the bottom of the balance, the previous, the week before last low, because we're breaking through the week's low. So gap fill and then down to 404. So buy yourself some time, let the move play out fully on some runners. That's why you leave runners. Now, if we go to the upside, 413.50, you want to take a break and hold there to the upside. You've got 415 above there at that gap to filled at 415.25 to 415.30. The chart I like much more is still Q. Q as long as 327 holds. Buy the dip 327. Now, 327. Let's say we gap down tomorrow. I don't know. Make a lower high. That's when you'd want to take a reject. Open above, look for a dip into it. All about 327 tomorrow. Either holds and you get long, or it breaks below and you get short on a retest and confirmation that we are going down lower. Into IWM, did a whole fucking nothing burger today, but we could see what 172.50 we had from yesterday. Nice bounce zone a couple times in there. Okay, 172 gives. You're going to target 171.50 area where we bounce, but ultimately, I think these bottom numbers get tested all the way down here. But look, 171 would likely be a bounce. I have at the bottom of my balance. It's not perfect, but that's what I would be looking for. Today could have told you, right? Even though QQQ was long as everything, because out of the open, tech went nuts. Okay, SPY was lagging majorly. SPY was lagging majorly, and was it positive because of look at just straight down ticks, right? Down ticks on IWM. Right, risk off meter. You can look. So tomorrow, I think you look for the bounce at 170, 150. If not, you've got 170 and then excuse me, yep. Excuse me. Under 170, 150, 171 to 170. Numbers are pretty cut and clear. Under there, 168. Under 168 is death. Death, death, death by destruction. More than likely, if IWM gets underneath 168, you're going to be buying puts on fucking any name out there. Okay, really simple. However, if we break over today's high, which is what? Okay, break over today's high, okay, which is 174. You'll want to target the gap fill all the way to 174.88 and then up to 176, where we know that could possibly be a breakout above their target 180. Guys, that is all I've got for you. I completely fucked up the end of yesterday's video by not saying my saying. My saying goes like this. First off, like, subscribe, send it to your mother. It's free. Let her make some money. Just kidding. But tell your friends, guys. Share the video if you can. But if not, then I could tell you this little bit of advice. You need to wake up early, get your levels right, and of course, don't do anything fucking stupid. I'll see you bright and early. Peace.